Hi everyone, this is Rozani, and I'm going to show you how I attach a plastic spoon to this little troll head to make a handle. It makes it much easier to paint, and later on it could be turned into an art doll. So here we go. I could make these little faces all day long, but I'd like to pass on the knowledge to someone else as well. As always, I use my liquid starch, and in this case, paper napkins, and I get the texture that I need with that. Just remember to fill in the ears and make it as full as you need to on the back of the head. You can always add on and decorate it however you like. I like to try different fibers for hair, but I haven't decided yet what I want to do. It could be totally ridiculous or it could be serious, whatever you want to do with it. The main thing is to have fun. That's what it's all about. So if you look in the comment below, you'll see a snippet for making a torso. I hope you'll click on the link. Thank you for watching.